to transfer the file from your phone to your laptop or PC without any cable. No USB, no hassle, just super fast wireless transfer. In this quick video, I will show you the easiest method using a free app. Let's get started. In this video, I am going to show you how you can transfer data from your mobile phone to your laptop or computer or PC without using any cable. All you need is a Wi-Fi connection and one simple app. Step 1. Open any browser on your phone and go to the Google Play Store. Step 2. Search for Wi-Fi FTP Server and install the app. Step 3. Open the Wi-Fi FTP Server app. You will see a clean and simple interface. Step 4. Tap on the Start button at the bottom. The app will ask for storage permission. Allow it. Step 5. Once you tap Start, the app will generate an FTP address, IP address like this: FTP://192.168.1.xxx, this that. Just copy this address or memorize it or note in any place. And step 6. Now go to your phone or PC and web browser, Chrome, Edge, Firefox, etc. and paste the FTP address. Hit enter and your phone storage will open directly on your computer. Now you can easily drag and drop files, photos, videos, documents, anything you want. That's it. Super simple and fast wireless file transfer using Wi-Fi FTP server. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel ITFO.